Everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Friday, January the 8th. We're breaking bomb box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 36 remaining box numbers out of the initial 44. We got box number 15. We did random teams for it on the left. Teams and customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We gave them all a chance to trade. They had a couple offers, but nothing got accepted. I'm just going to double check chats one last time. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything there, Brianna. I'm not showing them on the roster there anymore. I don't know if he got bumped off or something. But here we go. I am going to be a Miami hit, folks. Solid hit, not a monster. Going to be the Jason Taylor, folks. Bam. I actually guess I thought I put one of the teals in. I guess I put one of the orange in. JSA certification and card. Yeah, I hit the wrong pickup, guys, on the checklist there. I could have sworn I put a teal one in, but obviously I put an orange. Bam. So who is Miami? Wow, Jesus. Well, Brianna on a roll, guys. You know, I say all the time, this shit is streaky as hell, man. And this seems to be how it goes sometimes. Get a person just goes on a little bit of a roll there. Brianna's turn, I guess, tonight here, man. That's Brianna's second hit in our first two boxes. One of Brianna's out. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 times. Well, Jesus, Brianna's been making the most of her entries. Took another one of the qualifiers as well. Mark Kells is going to get the other. That is qualifiers 17 and 18, folks. Only 9 boxes into our series of 44. Ton of big hits left for you. Almost all our top hits are still there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. 6 or 7 days a week, 8 Central, Bobby Two Pops Breaks.